Okay, we're looking at the error analysis number 7. This is block 1. Today's January 26th. Ed's shed has a fence around it. The dimensions are 10 meters by 15 meters. What is another word for dimensions? When you hear or see the word dimensions, what does that mean? Cooper? Length and width. Okay. Draw the fence below and label the dimensions. Then find the area and perimeter of the fence. So, Ed drew the shed and he drew the fence and he labeled the dimensions. Now, if I drew it, how should I label the dimensions? What is the right way? It doesn't look like a good rectangle, but what's the right way to label the dimensions here? Avery.
The right way to label the dimensions is like on the sides of here you label it 10 and on the other side you label 11.
Okay, so this is 10 and then what is this one?
15.
15. Okay, include our units. And so this should be 10 and this should be 15. What was Ed's first error? What was Ed's first error? Caden?
The error is that they did do 10 for area instead of 10 meters by 15.
Right, because when he labeled the dimensions, he did not realize that on a rectangle, the opposite sides need to have equal length. Okay, so that's what caused his second error. So he multiplied 10 times 10 for the area instead of what should he have multiplied, Caden?
10 times 15.
Yes, he should have multiplied 10 times 15.
Can you zoom in on it?
Okay, Raider, if you can't see well, you're welcome to go to Ricky's table. Levi? Sure. Okay, that works. Okay, so what was the area here? What was the area? What should it have been? Trista. $150 what? Not units. Oh, meters squared. Yeah, he also put units as the unit, and it should have been meters. Okay, it should have been meters. Okay, so how would we write our own problem? Did anyone get that far? Did anyone write their own problem? Caden, what'd you say?
I draw a rectangle. I put 9 centimeters for the length and 8 centimeters for the width.
9 by 8. Okay, draw a rectangle with dimensions of 9 feet by 8.
No, not 9 feet, 9 centimeters.
Okay, well, I'll just leave it feet, but you can leave your centimeters. Draw a rectangle with dimensions of 9 feet by 8 feet or 9 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Tell the area and perimeter. Okay, so then when you drew the rectangle, Caden, what'd you label this side?
8,
What'd you label this side?
9.
9. Okay, so then this one would be 8 and this one would be 9. So what is the area of this rectangle? Every hand should be up. What's the area of this rectangle that's 9 by 8? Morgan.
72.
72 what? Well, it depends. Feet or centimeters, and then what? Squared. Okay, what is the perimeter? What's the perimeter? Everyone should have the perimeter figured out. Kate and L? 34. 9 plus 8 is 17. Double that. It's 34 feet or centimeters, depending on what unit you used. Pardon me? Huh? Yes, ma'am.
This is what I did. I put a rectangle 4 on top and 2 on the side, and my perimeter was 12 and my area was 8.
Okay, that works. Okay, let's go ahead and put that away. We're going to move on to our stations. Okay.